Hey, in this video I am going to show you how to add voiceover in VideoScribe. Adding voiceover, simply click on this microphone icon. Look at this is voiceover option, right? I am hitting on it. After that you will get this type window. Before recording your voiceover, make sure that your USB microphone is connected and on. Then choose your paperwall microphone from here. Actually there are 3 microphones available in my computer. So I select this one because it's connected and on. Now starting record your voiceover, you have to click this red icon. But at the time I want to mention you one most important thing, that is you can create voiceover before creating your any animation. Otherwise at first you can create your animation then record your voiceover by following the animation. Actually it will depend up to you. Okay, testing purpose, firstly I will record my voiceover. To do that click on it. Look at it is starting. Hey guys, I like horse. Then I stop it. Actually I took a quick voiceover, right? Now you can check preview from here. Look at I'm playing. Hey guys, I like horse. Then I stop it. Do you understand guys? At the same time you can delete it. At the same time I want to mention you one more important thing. Suppose after recording your voiceover, sometime you have to edit it, right? Because at once perfectly recording is very tough. But problem is in this software you don't get any editing feature. So if you need to edit it, then you can use another software. Like Audacity software, it is totally free software. Even you can use any professional software like Camtasia. You know Camtasia is one of the best software for editing and screen recording. So if you want you can check my Camtasia course. Okay, now my suggestion is if you don't like to use different software for using voiceover, that time you can use this software in this way. Alright guys, now I'll add this recorded voiceover in my project. So simply hit on here. Look at the project interface is fully blank. I don't create any animation yet now. So at the moment, if I want to see a preview, that time it won't work. Okay, I'm playing, look at. Can you see the message guys? Add image or text to your canvas before playing the movie. Okay, I just close it. After that I choose image icon. Now I pick horse. At the same time you can add relevant text according to your voice. Alright, now I just play. Follow me guys. Hey guys, I like horse. Then I stop it. I hope you understand. Simply makes sense, huh? Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next lecture.